So I just woke up with this crazy idea of making a glitch drawing. So I've put on some comfy clothes and went to my desk so I can work on a sketch. But I need to find my pencils first. Oh yeah, we can start now. Sketch is done, let's grab a fine liner and start the outline. Oh yeah, the tiger looks good. Let's start adding in the doodles. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you want to see more videos just like this. Alright, the first part of the drawing is done. Next on the to-do list is adding in the glitch colors red and blue. I'm gonna need some fine liners for this as well.
Nope. 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 Nope.
Hell yeah, we're almost finished. We just need to do the line head and then we can call it a day. I just finished the drawing for today. I'm gonna show you the end result in just a second. I just want to take this moment to say happy 2020 everyone. And if you haven't checked on the post notification bell, make sure you do because I have a lot in store for 2020. Alright, let's get you to the end result.